Hello guys, welcome back. As we all know that the storage services in the cloud where data resides are frequently a target for hackers. So to keep the data and applications safe in the cloud, we must have to encrypt it to protect from the attackers and from malicious activity. On AWS, its elastic block store, that is EBS service, provides persistent block level storage volumes for Amazon EC2 instances. Amazon EBS encryption is supported by all volume types. You don't have to worry about managing keys to perform encryption. It's all managed and implemented by EBS. Newly created Amazon EBS volumes are not encrypted by default. However, you can turn on default encryption for new EBS volumes and snapshot copies that are created within a specified region. When you create an encrypted EBS volume and attach it to a supported instance type, the following types of data are encrypted. Encryption is used to protect data at rest and in flight. Amazon EBS encrypts your volumes with a data key using industry standard AES 256 data encryption. All data moving between the volumes and the instance, the data key is generated by AWS KMS and then encrypted by AWS KMS. All snapshots and any subsequent volumes created from those snapshots using the same AWS KMS key share the same data key. Amazon EBS automatically creates a unique AWS managed key in its region where you store AWS resources. By default, Amazon EBS uses this KMS key for encryption, and this KMS key has the alias /AWS/EBS. Alternatively, you can also specify a symmetric customer managed encryption key that you created as the default KMS key for EBS encryption. By using your own KMS key can give you the more flexibility and the ability to create, rotate and disable the KMS keys. How we can encrypt an encrypted EBS volume? First you need to create an EBS snapshot of the volume. Then you encrypt the EBS snapshot by using the copy function. After that we can create a new EBS volume from the snapshots, and that created volume will also be encrypted. Once the new volume encrypted, then we can attach the encrypted volume to the instance. Alright guys, let's see how we can encrypt an EBS volume in the AWS console. Okay, we will do it by different ways with EBS volume and encryption. Let's create a new EBS volume with 8 GB size in AP South 1A availability zone. Snapshot ID leave as it is and encryptions will not be encrypted, so leave this setting unchecked for now. You can add the tag and go for create volume. It is successfully created. The volume state is now creating. And if you look at the encryption state, it says not encrypted, right? Just reload it to get the latest volume state. Yes, it is available now. We can cross-check or confirm to see this is not encrypted. Let's click on volume ID and scroll down to see the encryption that is not encrypted. Okay, great. We can create a snapshot from this volume. Name this first snapshot. As we can see, the encryption setting has been set to not encrypted. Even we don't have an option to encrypt this one. So any snapshots encrypted from a non-encrypted EBS volume will be not encrypted. We got this very well. Okay. So let's go ahead and create this snapshot. Now we can see the newly created snapshot to the snapshots page here. Here as well we can name this first snapshot and see this is not encrypted. To create an encrypted snapshot, we have to go on action and then copy the snapshot. You have the option here to enable encryptions into the same destination region, that is AP South 1. Let's go to check the encrypted this snapshot to be encrypted, and here you can select the KMS key. Right here the default one, that is AWS/EBS. We are good to go for copy these snapshots now. Reload this to get the latest status. The snapshot status is completed, and here we can see it is encrypted. Next, what we will do, we do need to create a volume from the snapshot. Go on action and create a volume from this snapshot. As we can see here, encryption is enabled for the volume. One thing you will notice that you can't uncheck the encrypt here because my underlying snapshot is encrypted. Click on create volume and have a look at my volumes. This one we just created from snapshots is now available and it says encryption encrypted. All good. We saw how we can encrypt one EBS volume this way. Now just to be finished this, make sure to delete the volume by typing deletes, and then you do the exact same thing for snapshots as well. Okay, that's it for today about the EBS encryptions. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest video notification. See you all on my next video. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.